Intense protests led by All Assam Student Union against the Citizenship Amendment Bill held hostage the law and order situation in Assam for the past several days. This Assamese community movement that started off as a spontaneous public uprising turned violent in no time. The protesters destroyed innumerable public and private properties across the state, including the state capital Guwahati. Besides, incidents of physical assault also took place in many places. In the past 4 decades, people of the state have been eyewitness to many a movement, but this time the language of protest and movement seemed alien. A section of anarchists created a Kashmir-like situation by pelting stones at the security forces, which is naturally disturbing. We at themonkey.com tried to find out why a democratic and peaceful movement turned violent and drug out some explosive facts. The ugly face of the Islamic fundamentalism was unmasked during the anti-caste movement. Islamic fundamentalist forces behind vandalism. Would anyone from the Assamese community target a cultural complex born out of the Assam Accord and which was established in the name of Srimanta Shankar Deva? Islamic fundamentalist force behind the night vandalism across the state. In most areas, the leadership of the protest movement were non-resident unknown persons. This conspiracy became apparent on Thursday evening at Mokalmua in the Nalbari district of Assam. Violent protesters out to destroy the residence of Borkhetri constituency BJP MLA Narayan Deka damaged a local Shani Mandir when their attempt was thwarted by the security forces. The question is, would anyone from the Assamese community vandalize a temple? What have temples and namghars got to do with anti-caste movement? Hindu religious places have always been a target of Islamic fundamentalists. Attack on the temple is the telltale sign of the rise of the Islamic fundamentalists. Lately, after realizing the movement to have been hijacked by a third party, All Assam Student Union, who was at the forefront of the anti-caste movement, was forced to announce at a gathering at Chanmari on Friday that no protest demonstration would be held after 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Assam Police has also received intelligence input of the involvement of the Congress behind the Islamic fundamentalist force. It will be worth watching what action the government of Assam takes against the Islamic fundamentalist forces that rose its ugly head piggybacking the anti-caste movement. Bureau Report, themonkey.com.